I'm standing at the crossroads, mind torn in two. One side dreams of chaos, the other, our planets renew. I'm watching greed run rampant, government's gone astray. Corporations feast on the weak, while good souls waste away.
Hate rises in me, voices call a tide that burns fierce. A vision of toppling false prophets, each false throne I pierce. I see them clinging to dollars, illusions of control. My wrath begs me to break them, to swallow them whole. Yet in the same breath, I feel a softer call, a longing to hold the broken, shield them so they don't fall. An outreached hand to those drowning in the system's flood, a desire to whisper hope, show them there's still love. This internal war churns, a clashing of extremes, destroyer versus creation, two warring screams.
The pendulum swaying hard between love and hate. One moment a desire for destruction, the next for humanity to awake. A war inside my spirit, no single path is clear. But maybe that's the truth of being human here.
I watch the corruption spreading wide. It stokes my raging fury, calls forth a vengeful tide. Billionaires counting coins while the hungry cry for bread. Whole families left homeless, their futures hang by a thread. In the swirl of that injustice, I wanna burn it all. Tear down their gold towers, watch their kingdoms fall. But then I see a child's eyes longing for a hand, or someone at the margins who just needs help to stand. My anger melts to empathy, compassion so deep. I'm torn again, and the pendulum's arc is steep.
Is it me alone, or do we all bear this cross? 1 second breathing mercy, next driven by loss. We walk the line between building and wrecking the stage, between an outstretched hand and unstable rage. The pendulum swaying hard between love and hate. One moment a desire for destruction, the next for humanity to awake. A war inside my spirit, no single path is clear. But maybe that's the truth of being human here.
I see pain in the faces who hustle just to survive. They wanna believe in better, but wonder if hope's alive. And I feel that push to shield them, to drag them from the pit. But another wave of fury hits when I see who truly benefits. Still I cling to the notion that unity isn't dead between compassion and wrath. I try to weave a thread, I'm a creator and destroyer. Each breath I take confirms chaos can birth new order if we learn from what it burns. And so I stand in the tension, hold both sides of my chest. Maybe that's the real fight, accepting both to do our best.
Let the pendulum swing, let it carry me high and low. I'll keep harnessing this friction, letting empathy flow. Destruction or creation, it's all in how we choose. Within the storm of passion lies the power to both bruise and heal. Here at the pendulum's edge, I remember